Finally, it's time to get unlimited free targeted traffic, buyers' leads, and affiliate commissions automatically. I am about to hand over you a cutting-edge software that guarantees you 100% unlimited laser-targeted traffic to any website, offer, or store. Okay, before you get skeptical about it and start comparing it to old products that you have purchased in the past, I have got proof about the kind of traffic leads and sales I have been getting for my own 7-figure business. From 0 traffic to 800 visitors per day by just running a single campaign. From a few visitors to
4,800
visitors in a week. But before that, how many times have you read headlines like, "We finally understand why Marvel started with Iron Man. 10 reasons why GOT Season 8 is going to change the series forever. One team who shouldn't win the Fortnite Cup for sure." Admit it, we all have clicked them and read that content. These are not just clickbaits, these are trending topics that almost everyone is into and want to know more and more about that. And do you know how much people are making from that? BuzzFeed has 5 billion monthly content views, and the reported turnover is more than $250 million. Viral Nova has $100 million business empire, and all of that just by using other people's trending content. But it's not as easy as it sounds. These big companies have hundreds of 100 content writers who do careful research to find, curate, and syndicate viral content. That's why only a handful of companies are successful at making it big. That's why we have created a system that will now only allows you to bring massive traffic in just a couple of clicks, and you don't have to waste any time on creating content, funnels, SEO, or any major investment budget. You don't even need a domain or hosting. Hey, my name is Dr. Amit Parikh, along with my partner Ashu Kumar, have been in this internet marketing industry for the last 10 years. From our experience, we have learned that for any profitable business model, you need automation. Introducing Trenzy, a done-for-you system that can automate the entire process from finding the right content, posting it, publishing it on right platforms, and most of all, generating profit, leads, and commission from it automatically. One system that market leaders like Neil Patel, Gary Vaynerchuk has felt in their business and strictly recommend without investing a single dime on ads, brainstorming new ideas, spending hours on creating any funnel, and even checking it once a month. And the results are groundbreaking. Sometimes it's doubles and it's 100% free. All you need to do is simply follow 3 easy steps. Step number 1. Just log into our cloud-based software and enter your keyword or select category. Step number 2. Select if you want to curate top trending videos or articles from authority sites. Step number 3. Select the social media networks you want to post and set the frequency. And now let our software do the magic. It will automatically start posting the super engaging content and post it on social media sites, getting you unlimited laser targeted traffic and leads. But wait, we promised you more. Once you have connected your favorite autoresponder to our system, it will start collecting leads for you by using a perfect cliffhanger at the right moment. And you can add your link where you want to drive the traffic, on a landing page, an affiliate offer, or an e-com store. The choice is yours. You can even add your Amazon ads code to monetize this content without even lifting a finger. Let me tell you more about the cutting-edge feature of Trenzy. Find the most related content in seconds by just entering a keyword for any niche. Get it on your Trenzy site, and you can even spin it in just one click. Legally fetch other people's video and embed them to show your offer or site right inside the video. Post your content in social media channels in just a click of a button. Set the keywords, category, and frequency to automate this entire process. Get these leads in your favorite autoresponder or in our cloud-based system. Translate your content in 15 plus languages automatically according to the location of your visitor. Get cloud-hosted library storage up to 1 gigabyte and access to 1.3 million royalty-free images. Let Trenzy do all the heavy lifting and hard work. We have made this system super easy to use from a top-notch marketer to complete newbie with no learning curve. The best part, you don't need any domain, hosting, or to pay any recurring charge. And for this special charter launch, you will get a commercial license to Trenzy. Means you can use this for your clients and charge them monthly or annually. There is a massive opportunity to make $5,000 to $10,000 each month. All sounds too good to be true. Where is the catch? Well, there is no catch. This ultimate traffic to monetization solution is available for the one-time price during this special 7 days launch period. After that, it will get back to its rightful recurring price. Innovative dream tool of every smart entrepreneur is here, and it can be yours at an extremely discounted price right now. Trenzy is covered with our rock-solid 60 days money-back guarantee, which means if it doesn't live up to every claim on this page, just get in touch for a prompt refund. That's how easy it is for you. So, I highly recommend you click the Buy Now button below, now, or check out the rest of the features and demo of the plugin on this page. Either way, make sure you take action now before the next price bump. Trenzy team is waiting to assist you and welcome you inside your exclusive members area.